Google has officially released Android 11 and it's available for download on all Pixel phones from Pixel 2 to Pixel 4a. Some other phones such as OnePlus, Xiaomi, Oppo and Realme will also get this new update. The Android 11 comes with lots of great features and I'll be sharing some of them with you in this video. So without much ado, let's dive in. One of the key features is bubbles. Bubbles make it easier for you to reply messages from apps such as Facebook Messenger, Telegram and Google Messages by displaying a floating circle, or what you call a bubble of the app on your screen. You should be used to this if you use Facebook Messenger more often. You can turn bubbles on or off for various apps, although this feature is not compatible with a lot of apps at the moment. One of the highly requested and talked about features is the built-in screen recorder. You can now record your screen with a single tap. You can choose which audio to record, be it from a microphone or your phone. There is also an option to not record any audio at all. With this feature, it means you no longer need third-party apps to record your screen. The recent app section has also received two new features, namely Screenshot and Select. You can now take a screenshot of the recent app with just a tap and even share or edit the screenshot instantly. The Select feature allows you to select text on the recent app. Lots of apps make it difficult to select text, but that's going to change with this new feature. Our favorite dark theme can now be customized. You can turn it off or on automatically, so it takes effect at specific times. If you are a dark theme lover like myself, then you can leave it on as long as you want. New icon shapes and styles have also been added. You can choose from the 4 styles available or create your own style by choosing your font, icons, color, and icon shapes. For added security, Google revamped the permissions feature. Previously, you could only allow apps permission when the app is in use, or make the app request permission every time, or even deny the app permissions altogether. Now you have the ability to remove app permissions if the app has not been used for months. There is now a notification history that keeps track of all your notifications in the past 24 hours. It's turned off by default, and to turn it on, go to Apps and Notifications, tap on Notifications and select Notification History and turn it on. It's as simple as that. There is also a sound menu which pops up when you tap the volume control button. It makes it easy for you to control the various sound settings for media, calls, alarms and ringtones. You can tap See More for access to the complete sound settings for your device. So guys, these are the Android 11 features I would like to share with you today. If there are other cool features I didn't touch on, share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe for more videos. Bye.